Rounding off numbers. How do we round off numbers and why? We round off numbers to the nearest tens, hundreds, and thousands, etc. to quickly reach an approximate value. In this video, let us talk about rounding to the nearest tens, how to round to the nearest hundred, and rounding to the nearest thousand, etc. Rounding to the nearest tens. To round a number to the nearest 10, we use the nearest multiple of 10. Let me give you one example. Rounding off 1234 to the nearest 10. Take multiples of tens nearby the number 1234. 1210, 1220, 1230, 1240 and 1250 are some multiples of tens which are nearby the given number 1234. 1234 is in between 1230 and 1240. One of these numbers is the nearest 10. To choose the nearest 10, check the digit which is present in ones position. The digit at the ones place in 1234 is 4, which is less than 5. So round it down. No change is required to the tens position and replace ones position by 0. And the answer is 1230 and it is rounded down. Rounding to the nearest hundreds. To round a number to the nearest hundred, we use the nearest multiple of hundreds. Let us practice with some examples. Rounding off 1234 to the nearest hundred. Take multiples of hundreds nearby the number 1234. 1100, 1200, 1300, 1400 and 1500 are some multiples of hundreds which are nearby the given number 1234. 1234 is in between 1200 and 1300. One of these numbers is the nearest hundred of 1234. To choose the nearest hundred, check the digit which is present in tens position. The digit at the tens place in 1234 is 3 and it is less than 5. So round it down. No change is required to the hundreds position and replace ones and tens place by 0. And the answer is 1200 and it is rounded down. Rounding to the nearest thousand. To round a number to the nearest thousand, we use the nearest multiple of thousand. Let us take an example. Rounding off 1234 to the nearest thousand. Take multiples of thousands nearby the number 1234. 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000 and 5000 are some multiples of thousands which are nearby the given number 1234. 1234 is in between 1000 and 2000. One of these numbers is the nearest thousand of 1234. To choose the nearest thousand, check the digit which is present in hundreds position. The digit at the hundreds place in 1234 is 2 and it is less than 5. So round it down. No change is required to the digit present in thousands position and replace ones, tens and hundreds place by 0. And the answer is 1000 and it is rounded down. Let us take another example. Rounding off 5678 to the nearest tens. Take multiples of tens nearby the number 5678. 5660, 5670, 5680, 5690, and 5700 are some multiples of tens which are nearby the given number 5678. 5678 is in between 5670 and 5680. One of these numbers is the nearest 10. To choose the nearest 10, check the digit which is present in ones position. The digit at the ones place in 5678 is 8, which is greater than or equal to 5. So, round it up. Add 1 to the tens place and replace ones place by 0. And the answer is 5680, and it is rounded up. Rounding off 5678 to the nearest 100. Take multiples of hundreds nearby the number 5678. 5500, 5600, 5700, 5800, and 5900 are some multiples of hundreds which are nearby the given number 5678. 5678 is in between 5600 and 5700. One of these numbers is the nearest hundred of 5678. To choose the nearest hundred, check the digit which is present in tens position. The digit at the tens place in 5678 is 7, and it is greater than or equal to 5. So, round it up. Add 1 to the hundreds place and replace the digits at ones and tens place by 0. And the answer is 5700, and it is rounded up. Rounding off 5678 to the nearest thousand. Take multiples of thousands nearby the number 5678. 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, and 7000 are some multiples of thousands which are nearby the given number 5678. 5678 is in between 5000 and 6000. One of these numbers is the nearest thousand of 5678. To choose the nearest thousand, check the digit which is present in hundreds position. The digit at the hundreds place in 5678 is 6, and it is greater than or equal to 5. So, round it up. Add 1 to the thousands place and replace the digits at ones, tens, and hundreds place by 0. And the answer is 6000, and it is rounded up. Let us move to our favorite session, question time. Question 1. Round off 3456 to the nearest 10. Question 2. Round off 3456 to the nearest 100. Question 3. Round off 3456 to the nearest 1000. Write your answers in the comment section given below, and you can be the winner of the episode. Hurry up and get a chance to get featured by the end of our videos. And here are the entries of lucky winners from our previous video. If you like our videos, subscribe to our channel and like, comment or share this video with your friends. For more video links, check the description box below and don't forget to visit our website slnacademy.com.